Let me describe a couple. This might sound familiar. She works in marketing, earning $62,000 a year. He works in IT, earning $71,000. Their combined income is $133,000. They should feel secure. Instead, they are stressed, living paycheck to paycheck. They did everything right. Degrees, careers, marriage, a house and a good school district. Yet one unexpected car repair already caused financial strain. They are exhausted, barely seeing each other during the week. We've been told 2 incomes are better than 1. It seems logical. Double the money should mean double the security. But that's not what happened. Today's dual-income families often feel more fragile than one-income families decades ago. This is called the 2-income trap. Researchers discovered that having 2 incomes can make families more vulnerable, not because they were irresponsible, but because the system changed around them. In 1970, single-income families lived comfortably. Housing, food, healthcare, and savings were manageable. There was a backup plan. If the breadwinner lost a job, the second adult could work. Today, both incomes are already used. Housing costs doubled, healthcare skyrocketed, childcare expenses are massive, education costs continue to climb. The second income often disappears into fixed costs. Let's break it down. Say one partner earns $70,000 and the other $50,000. Taxes take $18,000. Childcare takes $15,000. Commuting, $8,000. Convenience spending, $7,000. Let's break it down. Say one partner earns $70,000 and the other $50,000. Taxes take $18,000. Childcare takes $15,000. Commuting, $8,000. Convenience spending, $7,000. Dual incomes allowed families to take on bigger mortgages, but this inflated housing prices for everyone. 2 incomes became the baseline just to buy what one could in the past. Education is part of the trap. Property taxes fund schools. Families outbid each other for good districts. This drives housing prices even higher. 2 incomes mean less time for cooking, cleaning, and home management. Families spend more on convenience services, prepared meals, cleaners, deliveries. Fixed costs absorb both incomes completely. The trap snaps shut when unexpected events occur. A lost job, illness, or car repair can destroy the household finances instantly. The solution isn't earning more. Structure your essentials to be covered by one income. Treat the second income as discretionary. Use it for savings, investments, and flexibility. Over 5 to 10 years, your second income can build wealth. Compounding investments create real security. You regain choices. You regain flexibility. The 2-income trap isn't about money alone. It's about margin, resilience, and options. 2 incomes aren't better if they're already spent. Real wealth is having freedom to choose. If this video changed how you think about money, like it and subscribe. Welcome to True Cost Lab, where we uncover what money really costs.